watch this video if you intend to plant bulbs this year. So Home Depot has bulbs 50% off right now. So if you intend to plant bulbs this year, then you better watch this and grab them while supplies last. So they have sales right now, spring sales, 50% off all bulbs. So you can see the bulbs they have over here. They have potatoes, different variety of potatoes over here. All of these are 50% off. You can see up here they have onions. You have onions, different variety of onions here. Um, you have potatoes, you have garlic, you have asparagus, strawberries. Um, Same thing over here. You have some asparagus and onions, garlic. So they have these over here. So if you intend to grow any of these, then you better grab them now and plant them so that you can get this in your garden as soon as you can at a huge discount. Definitely save on your garden supplies by grabbing these. This is what I got. I got some onions and some potatoes and some other seeds that I'm gonna plant. Let me know in the comments below, what would you get if you were here, if you were gonna shop here. What would you get among all these things that we've seen? Also, let me know in the comments below if you got any of these, or if you guys have these sales 50% off as we do over here. Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you follow me for more interesting garden finds and garden tips. Like, comment, save, share, and follow for more videos like this.